Hello, strategic thinkers. Ever felt overwhelmed juggling multiple tasks, tight deadlines, and cross-department coordination? That's where the Gantt chart comes in. Originating from Henry Gantt's early 20th century work, it's a time-tested project management tool that helps keep tasks visible, trackable, and efficient. And with ChatGPT on board, you'll never miss a milestone. The Gantt chart gives you a bird's-eye view of tasks, their durations, and interdependencies. Think of it as a roadmap showing what needs to happen, when, and by whom. By pairing it with ChatGPT for real-time updates, quick adjustments, and resource checks, you'll see bottlenecks early and deploy solutions faster. It's like having a co-pilot to keep your entire plan on schedule and within budget. Here's how to build and manage a Gantt chart with ChatGPT. Define the project and goals. Outline your main objective, whether it's launching a new product or completing a real estate lease management project. Create a task list. Break everything down. Collect data, secure permits, handle marketing. You name it. ChatGPT can suggest tasks you might forget. Assign dates. Give each task a start and end date. This is where ChatGPT helps spot overlaps or impossible timelines. Plot and connect tasks. Represent them on a timeline, linking dependent tasks with horizontal lines. Adjust the chart. Revisit as issues emerge. Shift timelines, add more resources. ChatGPT's quick data analysis helps you see best-case scenarios. Reflect changes and delays. If something goes off track, update your Gantt chart and adapt swiftly. This ongoing review ensures you meet deadlines without nasty surprises. With your Gantt chart established, you've got a dynamic tool that reveals exactly where your project stands and what's needed next. ChatGPT's real-time guidance makes it easier to juggle tasks, foresee conflicts, and align everyone's schedule. The result? Smoother teamwork, fewer missed deadlines, and a project that stays on track from start to finish. Thanks for watching, strategic thinkers. If you're ready to manage projects with clarity, let the Gantt chart plus ChatGPT combo be your go-to method. Like this video, subscribe for more strategic insights, and join my newsletter for exclusive updates. Plus, check out my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3, where I dive deeper into ChatGPT's potential in project management. Let's keep every timeline efficient and every project on point.